The world of ice, the frozen earth. There have been 5 times in the history of our blue marble when the world was shrouded in nothing but ice. Mountains, plains, and oceans were all veiled in a white shroud. These were the eras we call the Ice Ages. For hundreds, even thousands of years, a bone-chilling cold gripped the earth. During the last ice age, humans lived in caves. They ventured out in small bands to hunt, locked in a brutal struggle for survival. They invented stone tools that became vital for the hunt. By mastering fire, they learned the art of defying the cold. They sought ways to improve their lives, like crafting garments and painting stories on cave walls. Hunting became the heartbeat of their existence. For every successful kill was a step toward the survival of the tribe. In this world of ice, new legends were born every day. As time passed, people began building small settlements along riverbanks to stay near water and harness the blessings of Mother Earth. Gradually, they pioneered agriculture, learning to grow various crops. Now, new tales of joy and hope began to flourish within human settlements. A frozen path to the new world. In this final ice age, approximately 25,000 years ago, a small band of hunters set out from a region in Siberia. Wandering in search of prey, they stumbled upon a path that would lead them to a new, unknown world. This path was a narrow strip of frozen land connecting 2 great continents. Today, we call it the Bering Strait, but back then, this journey was anything but easy. This frozen trek was a grueling test of their courage, patience, and endurance. As they pressed forward, the light dimmed, and the terrifying howls of wild beasts echoed around them. Yet in the pale moonlight, the hunters' resolve grew stronger. They knew their destination was near. Suddenly, the sound of a stream flowing between 2 trees reached them, a sign that life was possible here. This sound was a message from the new world, a symbol of new hope. They had reached a land where the dawn brought a message of life to everyone. This was the moment these hunters began a new chapter in human history. Searching for new possibilities, this is where their journey, their dreams, and their reality took root. This is where the story of their love, their thoughts, and their legacy began. The Great Separation. The final severing time marched on. The ice began to melt. Sea levels rose, and that narrow land bridge was swallowed by the ocean forever. Thus, the connection between the old world and the new world was broken. For the first time in human history, a vast distance was created between 2 worlds, a distance that would remain for nearly 11,000 years. But separation does not always bring an end. It brings new beginnings. The water, liberated from its icy prison, flowed as a harbinger of life. Where once only a white sheet of ice existed, lush green forests began to grow. This shift was a signal of a new opportunity for humanity. The quest continued. The search for new shores and the desire for new possibilities urged travelers to set sail once more. It was the dawn of a new geographical world, where empty horizons and unseen paths awaited mankind. History bears witness that every human step made the world wider. New lives were settled on the shores of oceans, and with every step, new dreams took flight in the hearts of travelers. And as the harshness of the seasons faded, the first smile of hope appeared under starlit nights. This was the story of humanity's tireless struggle, a struggle where every ounce of courage and every effort set out to carve its own unique identity in the world.